The Pfaff sewing machines have a great stitch plate with lots of markings, both in metric and in inches. But you also have a seam guide. This seam guide can go into the back opening and then be tightened by the screw on the back, and you can set that for 1 inch, 2 inches, whatever seam allowance you want to actually follow. Now, sometimes when I was doing my decorative stitches on my Stitching Cosmos quilt here, I was able to set that to follow that line. So then that way I could be further away without kind of having to guess how to keep something kind of parallel to that curve. If I want to go on this outside, I would just come in from the other side and work my way, placing the guide over on this side. And then that way it can go all the way around, and I can even set that to be more or less depending on what I'm wanting to follow. But that seam guide was my best friend as I created the Stitching Cosmos quilt, our online course. You can check that out with the links below this YouTube video. We go over 25 different techniques, all using decorative stitches and 18 different presser feet. Like this is the circular sewing. These are some of the stack stitches that are also in this machine. We've got couching, pin tucks, I mean, you name it. These decorative stitches, if you have not stitched out your stitch book from your machine, you don't know what you're missing yet, and this will be some of the things that we will talk about and get into. Now, one of the things that you can do when you do get over to checking out the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course is to actually get to watch 10 of our videos for free. So check those out. It's in the preview section of the course curriculum. So I hope you'll join us. That will definitely take you beyond what you ever imagined your Pfaff sewing machine can do.